It was totally a new vision for Pakistan, which I had previously not seen. Because these days in Pakistan, there's kind of despair. But after attending this session, I have a glimmer of hope. The future is going to be bright. Inshallah, very soon we'll catch up with those who are called developed countries, and we'll be one of them.
Also really incredibly proud of the support. None of this would be possible without our incredible JA Pakistan team. All of the support we've received from our JA Pakistan board, the university, Rashid Latif Khan University has been amazing. So many incredible volunteers. It really takes so many people coming together. So I'm so delighted, so proud to see the accomplishments of all of these students, and I wish them all the very best going forward.
I'm Tahar from HSN College. I think JA provides an incredible and excellent opportunity for all of the young people and aspiring entrepreneurs of our country to share their preneur and also make a social impact.
JA provided us with an opportunity to come up with an amazing project.
Best thing about this event is that JA Pakistan will be taking the winning company, or I would say team, to South Korea in March to participate as JA Pakistan representatives for the regional Asia Pacific Company of the Year event. Once again, I would like to thank you that you've all made this event successful, and let's make the future even more brighter. Thank you.
Me and my team joined JA Worldwide. It is a very good business event, and I recommend that all schools and all students should participate in it because it gives you an insight into the world of business. And as goes for our host, Rashid Latif Khan University, they've organized and helped greatly for the JA Worldwide team to allow us to carry out this event and help us reach our true goals in life in business sector. Thank you.
मेरा नाम अदनान कदूर सर, मैं खोवा स्टेम स्कूल से आया हूँ और यहाँ पे मैं राशिद लतीफ़ मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी में खड़ा हूँ और यहाँ पे JA का फंक्शन है जिसमें तमाम स्कूल के बच्चे पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं और इसका एक ये फ़ायदा है कि ये बच्चे जो है इनमें एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप स्किल्स आएंगी और बच्चों में कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बढ़ेगा और बच्चे इस तरह ग्रूम करेंगे और बच्चों का इंटरेक्शन टीचर्स के साथ भी और लोगों के साथ बढ़ेगा और एक नेटवर्क जनरेट होगा, तो ये बिजनेस को प्रमोट करने के लिए बेस्ट चैनल है।
I am at Rashid Latif University for the JA Company program to present my project called Smart Carry. Our product is called Smart Carry. It is actually a smart weight monitoring device designed to help students check whether their school bags are too heavy.
You know that they've held a very nice national competition where students have decorated some very nice, beautiful stalls. I mean, each and every stall is unique in itself. Honestly speaking, I wasn't expecting it this much, but they've done an amazing job.
Today we're here at JA for the Company of the Year, and we're at Rashid Latif University.
We're Rashid Latif Khan University. The environment is really nice. It's very, there's a lot of people here, which intrigued me because I expected there only to be judges, but there's a lot of life in this place. And it's a very big school, in fact, as well.
Yeah, and it's very cool how Pakistani universities are actually very well made, and I'm very sure this university is great, and it definitely looks great.
We partnered with Rashid Latif Khan University over here, and we're thankful to them that they have provided us the campus to hold this all-important event for the Country of the Year. Personally, I have visited almost all the stalls that these children have put up, and it is really heartwarming to see what they have brought, the kind of ideas that they have, the kind of startups they want to bring into the market. It is so heartwarming to see.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sayyid Umar Sharif Bukhari. I'm on the board of JA Pakistan. So glad to be here to have this opportunity. And I would like to thank RLKU to providing us with such a huge and big facility, and thank you for all the team effort that we have already done in Pakistan, all the teamwork that has been done, the board, the team members in Pakistan, and of course with the support of JA Worldwide, which is the largest organization in the world serving the youth
My name is Shazia Akram, student of PSRD High School. First of all, मैं JA Worldwide का थैंक यू करना चाहूँगी कि उन्होंने हमें ये एक बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है जो हमें बिज़नेस के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन देता है और अब इस JA Worldwide के तहत ही मैं इस काबिल हूँ कि अगर हम अपने मैट्रिक के बाद अपना बिज़नेस भी स्टार्ट कर सकती हूँ और मुझे ये फंक्शन बहुत अच्छा लगा। मुझे यहाँ पे आके बहुत मज़ा आया। बेशक हम जीते ना, हार या जीत अल्लाह के हाथ में है, बेशक हम जीते ना, लेकिन ये एक्सपीरियंस हमारा बहुत अच्छा था।
It's a pleasure to be here at this event, which has been hosted by the Rashid Latif Khan University, an event sponsored by JA Pakistan of the Company of the Year Award. This brings together many schools and the next generation, the students who are budding entrepreneurs and paving the future for this country.